We've got this beautiful 67 Toronado. We're getting Crystalline all the way around it. So they want the heat rejection, but they still want to be seen as they're driving.
All right, Rob, so on the difficulty level, how hard is this going to be?
It's actually pretty easy. The hardest window is probably this one here. Just because of the way it rolls up into the body. But this is frameless, really easy. Back window looks pretty easy and flat, so yeah. It does take some hand cutting skills, but guess who's got those?